Hi, I'm David from Bioregistra, an app that enables you convert your paper forms into one of the world's most flexible digital forms. First, you're required to create an account by signing up on the web app, entering just your name, email address, and preferred password. Now, you're all set up to start creating forms on Bioregistra. On the project details section, you're required to enter the specifics of your project, including the name, description, and industry your organization belongs to. You also need to upload a logo to be used for this particular project. Then, choose which of the use cases is applicable to your project. You can use your form for a new enrollment, re-enrollment, or identification purposes. Checking the enrollment box allows you to do an advanced setting on what your form should do. While you can create a project from scratch, we've made the process of doing this easy for you through our ready-made templates for different industries and use cases. Our template portal includes a collection of bank forms for different customer acquisition touchpoints. For account opening, click on the account opening form template, which shows you a view of exactly how the paper version looks like with all the required fields. However, the template is flexible and allows you to edit the form to suit your own requirements. The dashboard shows you the different categories for configuration. The next section allows you to configure textual requirements for your project. Using the drag and drop feature, you can create fields like names and other demographic information of your users. Here, with our e-signature feature, you can also set the requirements for user signature and make them mandatory for the completion of the form if you want. The fingerprint section allows you to set up the fingerprint requirements for your form should you require it. You can select as many fingers as possible and make them requirements for the completion of your project, including validation. The slider in this section allows you to set the quality level that is minimally acceptable for success during capture. For image settings, the portrait section allows you to set the type of images you want users to provide when filling the forms. Check the buttons to ensure that the quality of all images must be confirmed during capture. In this case, use the slider to set the required level of quality for images. Finally, you can create agents and assign them to your project. You can create as many agents as possible while setting their access levels to the entire project. To create an agent, enter their names and email addresses, as well as their role in your organization. Before completing this process, make sure to assign them to a specific project, especially if you have many forms in your dashboard. Afterwards, you can add new agents to the growing list in the Manage Users section. You can then publish the account opening form and share with your capture agents, in this case, your marketers. Here, all you need to do is copy the link to your form and send to all agents you have added to your list. This process can also be repeated for other forms used by the bank for customer acquisition. Next, your agents are required to go on Play Store and download the Bioregistra mobile app for filling the forms in the field. When the agents download the app and sign up using the shared link, they get access to the same form you just created. If you've created more than one form, they get something just like this. Now, imagine a marketer from your bank meets a customer who would like to open a new account. The agent simply logs into the account and selects the account opening form from the list. Whether he has internet or not, Bioregistra enables him to fill a form quickly for the customer, as well as collect the textual and biometric requirements for account opening. The form immediately syncs to the backend as soon as the agent saves the completed form. On your end as an admin, you can view the new captured record. You are also able to tell where and when the agent has acquired a particular customer through the geolocation feature. Bioregistra's use continues even after you filled your forms, as these records can be analyzed using our analytics and reporting tool, which helps you make sense of your data and take actionable decisions. You can also export captured information into third-party platforms like your banking systems via our simple set of APIs. There's so much more you can do with Bioregistra. Wouldn't you like to have all your bank forms digitized and accessible from a central location during customer acquisition? Start your free trial on Bioregistra today.